here right now. He'd make a plan and he'd follow through. That's what v1.02 do. How would you like to suck my balls? A spy!
Get him! You stupid bitch.
Get up, fat boy! Oh my God! You killed Kenny! You bastard!
Little boy at peace. What is this place? Beyond the stars. Open up your eyes. What are these things you're moving toward? Head so full of wonder. Worries in the past. Could it be that you are free at last? No!
If it is war they want, then war they shall have! What are you waiting for, bitch? Destroy him! It's not my fault that I'm so evil. A spy!
Get him!
I hate you, Kenny. Get up, fat boy! I hate you, Kenny. What the fuck? Maybe this would teach you to listen to authority! How would you like to suck my balls? Viva la resistance! What are you waiting for, bitch? Destroy him! A spy!
Get him!
Oh my God! You killed Kenny! You bastard!
You gotta get him in the head! They go down quicker!
I hate you, Kenny.
Ooh, I don't feel so good! Derp!
Get up, fat boy! A spy!
Get him!
I hate you, Kenny. Respect my authority! Viva la resistance!
Try again, dumbass!